Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We can use about integration by trigonometric substitution. So I will put about s equals to 1 over 2 sine t. So if I put this one going here, you got about 1 over 4 sine t square. Number 4, we cancel. 1 minus sine t square, we change cosine t square, and later that we simplify the square root and ds. We do first derivative for the both sides, and you got about 1 over 2 cosine t dt. So I will put this one going here. ds we change by this one. This one you got about 1 over 4 sine t square. Number 4, we cancel. 1 minus sine t square, we change cosine t square. This one you got about cosine t. Cosine t, we simplify. The integration of this one you got about t over 2, and we put about c. About t, that is about this one. So we multiply both sides by number 2. And you got about t equal to r sine of 2s. So we put this one to change for t. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.